Sawmill would have been powered in those days.
Hand powered? I don't know. James and I are gonna explore the end of the road. I don't see any cut trees, stumps. Do you?
Well, no, not yet.
Wanted to see this rock wall and never made it. So I didn't realize this road walked back in this direction. So we'll see where it leads us. This road looks to be going right towards the wall. And I guess that's called a dike, according to James here. So hopefully we can get right up next to that. I don't know. Do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Anything interesting?
Not especially.
So just in front of us is the rock wall. That's pretty cool. Anything good?
Well, I don't know, but it has banding all through it.
Yeah.
Looks like it was put down layers like it was sandstone of some kind.
So we reached the end of the road, and now it turns to like a footpath almost. Think this may be an old road, or?
It looks like it could have been at one time.
Oh, got another animal path here. That was close. Ow. Myself. There's a lot of water back here.
Yeah, yeah.
We're on the other side of the dike, the rock wall. There is a massive spring back here. I gotta get across this without getting my feet wet. This is just full of water back here. Kind of a rare thing to see in the desert. Go right up the deal. It's got me on the neck. James wants to go up on the ridge above where we were. the slope going back down to the road is not manageable, so we're kind of stuck up here until we find a way down. If I go straight, this starts to level out according to James. He went up top and scouted it, and it looks pretty reasonable. I have to get through all this brush though. There's a tremendous amount of brush here between myself and the road. There's the road, thank God. When you fracture it, you can see what's in there?
It isn't weathered as much, you know, on the inside surface.
Oh.
It doesn't have lichens and stuff growing on it.
Just off to our side's a big, you see that?
What's that?
Those are tailings, aren't they?
Yeah.
Is there a mine over here? Must be.
Probably a hole in the ground.
I check it out really quick. Oh yeah, is that a portal? We got a portal. Sonora. I don't know what that says. Santa Ana. That's it, Santa Ana. Got a big old flashlight. I got a massive flashlight. How far back does that go?
I can't tell the end of it.
Oh my Lord, look at all the backpacks. Or maybe it goes around the corner, I don't know.
Shine your light up here on the roof and let's see what we got. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much the end of it there.
This is a pile of cow manure. No.
A pile of garbage from illegals.
Fabric.
Yeah. Oh geez, she just keeps going back in here.
No.
It's you all right?
Yeah, I bumped my head.
She goes back in quite a ways. Oh my Lord, it just, is that light? No. This Miss Leanne goes a long ways back in there. Ah, it's quite a tunnel. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
So this little mine we found, and it is absolutely full of migrant garbage. We went back in at about, maybe 100 feet. I don't know. It just continues all the way back in there. The mine goes farther. I don't know how much farther. Lots of garbage in there.
No, I wouldn't think so.
Yeah, I didn't see any talcum inside like that.
I don't know what kind of mine it might be.
It's a little bit of a walk up here. James and I were almost back to the truck. That was a pretty awesome hike. We saw the creek there. Never would have thought that would be so active back there, and found that mine. And then we got to go up. What was that called? The dike, right? Apparently that squishes out between the layers of rock, like dough or something, and solidifies.
Yes, that's how it works.